Hello friends, I would like to show you the process of creating a character based on photo references of a well-known fitness model by Anton Antipov. Please watch this video to the end. I found the image of Anton interesting in the style that I am currently using. I like bright details and I am sure that it fits the format of my work. Therefore, I contacted him via Instagram. He gave the go-ahead for the use of references and even helped me with the promotion of my Instagram page, thus having published 3 of my art in his Instagram story, for which he has great respect and thanks from me as a designer, artist, illustrator, call me whatever you want. And so I cut out the body along the contour with the lasso tool. I warned you right away that the photo was not in the best quality. I had to take a face from another photo. Later it played a cruel joke on me, since when you do something for a long time the eye begins to blur and does not see, as it was in my case, that the face is a little in the wrong position and angle that I needed initially. But in the process I didn't notice it. When I sent off the first version to Anton, he said that something was wrong with the face. It seems to be similar, but it seems not. I had a deep night. I decided to give myself a rest since I have very little free time lately because I'm working at the computer long time. That's why I make such stupid mistakes. The next day came and I woke up with a fresh head and redraw his face in a few hours. I sent the picture to Anton and he approved and posted my art on his Instagram page. This gave me the opportunity to provide myself as an artist and work with an extraordinary personality in the world of fitness, to which I am very glad. Initially my idea was to draw him in a cyberpunk style, but after some experimentation we came to the conclusion that we need to leave everything in the original as is. At the end of the video I will try to attach all the illustrations that I have suggested. managed to draw as many as 6 versions. The last 2 versions turned out great in my opinion, since it was on this that I redrew his face. All these 6 variants of illustrations you now see on your screen.